Hello, this is David Lang with the Lang team of Keller Williams Realty here in Southwest Florida. And most of the vendor recommendations that I give you are maybe an AC company or electrician or a plumber. But a lot of the people who are looking to move down to Southwest Florida are also looking for what to do, lifestyle things. And so I'm going to recommend a restaurant this time. It's the first restaurant I've recommended, but it's a great niche restaurant. There are a lot of great steakhouses, and maybe I'll do one on them, but I'm going to recommend a southern comfort food restaurant called Fancy's. They're off of Daniels, and they are fabulous. It's not a big place, so maybe you want to call them with a reservation, but if you like home cooking, southern food, comfort food, stuff that maybe you would make or your grandma would make at Thanksgiving, give Fancy's a try. They're awesome. So as you're looking for this area, there's a lot of great things to do, a lot of great restaurants to go check out. Check out this one. Anyway, I get those questions all the time. Hey Dave, I'm looking at Southwest Florida. Where's a great place to eat? Well, there's one right there, Fancy's Restaurant. Have a great day. David Lang with Keller Williams Realty with the Lang team. See you next week.